Let us move on the explanation of in the story ma. Empowered women navigating the world. 10th standard English and for Samachir Kalvi. Let us move on the explanation ma. This lesson is an interview with the 6 members of the all-women Indian Navy crew under the caption of Vatika Joshi. The crew has sailed around the earth for 254 days. They tells about their experience in the voyage. List out of the 6 members of the all-women Indian Navy crew. Lieutenant Commander Vatika Joshi, Lieutenant Commander Pradeep Jamwal, Lieutenant Commander Swati Pattarapalli, Lieutenant Aishwarya Potapati, Lieutenant Sri Vidya Devi and Lieutenant Payal Gupta. The aim of the voyage, selection of members, their training course. The challenges faced, their enjoyment, their pastime. Women occupy almost all the major positions in society. Currently, women's accomplishments are tremendous in many fields. One such achievement is the all-women Indian Navy crew who circumnavigated the world for 254 days all alone. In a sailboat called INSV Tharani, Navika Sahar Parishkama. Navika Sahar Parishkama was a project undertaken in consonance with the national policy to empower women to attain their full potential. The project is considered essential towards promoting ocean sailing activities in the Navy while departing Government of India thrust for Nari Shakti. It means woman power. Let us move on. Make in India. The voyage was aimed to showcase Made in India initiative by sailing on board indigenously built INSV Tharani. The special features of this sailboat is that it encouraged use of environment friendly non-conventional renewable energy resources such as the wind, collected and updated meteorological ocean and wave data on regular basis for accurate weather forecast by India Meteorological Department IMD. Meteorological ocean and wave data on regular basis for accurate weather forecast by Indian Meteorological Department IMD and also collected data for monitoring marine pollution on high sea.